Welcome to the language learning. Let's learn Tamil from Hot Rock. Classical Tamil language learning. Part 1.
Vanakkam, hi, welcome to Akrux YouTube channel, Tamil learning series. Today we are going to learn 10 must-know phrases in Tamil language. There are many must-know phrases, but the idea is to keep it simple. We call this as pineapple technique, so which means you learn little by little, not too much in one time, but these phrases will definitely be helpful. So we are going to see the 10 must-know phrases in Tamil language. Right. First thing, you are coming and landing in Chennai airport or Kuala Lumpur airport. Let's say Chennai airport, and you want to hire a taxi. You are coming out and you want to hire a taxi. So you can ask, suppose you want to go to Pallavaram. How much is the fare to Pallavaram? How do you ask this? Pallavaram போக எவ்வளவு? Pallavaram போக எவ்வளவு? Pallavaram போக எவ்வளவு? You can also say Pallavaram போக எவ்வளோ? Pallavaram போக எவ்வளோ? It's a subtle change of dialect and accents everywhere. Maybe little different in Kuala Lumpur airport or some other airport if you land. Okay, right. And you have come. You want to ask, I want coffee. I want coffee. Coffee is popular here in this part of the country. Whether if you go up north, it is tea. Generally, they take tea, and this part of country, they like coffee, Tamil Nadu. So, I want coffee. எனக்கு காபி வேணும். எனக்கு I want வேணும். Coffee is called காபி. எனக்கு காபி வேணும். எனக்கு காபி வேணும். I want coffee. எனக்கு காபி வேணும். Okay. You had your coffee. You reach the place and you are looking for breakfast. Do you have breakfast? Right? So this, you want to ask this. Breakfast இருக்கா? Breakfast கிடைக்குமா? Breakfast இருக்கா? Breakfast கிடைக்குமா? Last series we saw what you can tell for breakfast, but let's not complicate, let's keep it simple. We'll call breakfast as breakfast. Most of them will understand. Or if you want to replace this breakfast, you can say சாப்பாடு. சாப்பாடு இருக்கா? சாப்பாடு கிடைக்குமா? சாப்பாடு இருக்கா? சாப்பாடு கிடைக்குமா? Correct. You have landed in the airport, you want to hire a car. Can I hire your car? It's a very different way of asking here. Car varuma. Simple. Car varuma. The reply would be enga போகணும். எங்க போகணும். நீங்க எங்க போகணும். Sir, நீங்க எங்க போகணும். Madam, நீங்க எங்க போகணும். Which means, where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Will be his reply. I want to go to Pallavaram. எனக்கு பல்லாவரம் போகணும். பல்லாவரம் போக எவ்வளவு? எவ்வளோ? Will be your reply. This is how a typical conversation is picked up. Right? Okay. Okay. This you want to ask, how do I go to Marina Beach? Marina Beach is the second longest beach in the world, the biggest in Asia, the longest in Asia. So you want to see Marina Beach. If you come to Chennai, you'll have to see a lot of places are there. One is the beach Another one is the Mahabalipuram or Mamallapuram, which is a World Heritage Site. Right? So, you want to ask, how do I go to Marina Beach or Mahabalipuram or Mamallapuram? Marina Beach eppadi poganum? Marina Beach eppadi poganum? Mahabalipuram eppadi poganum? Marina Beach eppadi poganum? Mamallapuram eppadi poganum? Very simple. You got it? It's a very simple language. Everything is very easy. So, you will not worry much about asking something. You can use these simple terms in your day-to-day conversation. The good thing I would suggest is to speak with a native Tamil speaker, as it is true for all other languages. Right? You need to practice it. You need to have a friend who is a native Tamil speaker. Always good. Right. Where do I get good lunch? Oh, it's lunchtime and you are hungry. Hungry. I am hungry. How do you say that? எனக்கு பசிக்குது. எனக்கு பசிக்குது. எனக்கு பசிக்குது is I am hungry. Where do I get good lunch? Okay, the good is, the word for good is nalla. நல்ல சாப்பாடு எங்க கிடைக்கும்? or சாப்பாடு எங்க நல்லா இருக்கும்? நல்ல சாப்பாடு எங்க கிடைக்கும்? நல்ல சாப்பாடு எங்க கிடைக்கும்? சாப்பாடு எங்க நல்லா இருக்கும்? This is how you can ask. Okay, you are thirsty. The word for thirsty is தாகம். எனக்கு தாகம் எடுக்குது. எனக்கு தாகமா இருக்கு. எனக்கு தாகம் எடுக்குது. எனக்கு தாகமா இருக்கு. Please give me some water. How will you ask this? தண்ணீர் வேண்டும். Simple. தண்ணி வேண்டும். தண்ணி தாங்க. தண்ணி வேண்டும். தண்ணி தாங்க. தண்ணி தாங்க. தண்ணி தாங்க. Give me water. Please give me water. Tanga is with respect. So, தண்ணி தாங்க. Please give me water. Okay. Now you want to know. You want to go to ATM or shop. You don't know the way. How do you ask that? Simple. Very simple. ATM க்கு வழி சொல்லுங்க. ATM க்கு வழி சொல்லுங்க. ATM க்கு வழி சொல்லுங்க. கடைக்கு, கடை is shop. கடைக்கு வழி சொல்லுங்க. கடைக்கு வழி சொல்லுங்க. கடைக்கு எப்படி போகணும்? That also is another. Okay, which is a good place for shopping or market? You want to know where the market is, which is a good place, or where it is, basically, where the market is. Kadatheru enga irukku? Kadatheru enga irukku? It's also called, there is a word called angadi, angadi, which is used in Telugu and angadi in Kannada, but it's not in practice anymore, but it's the right word, but still we call it as Kadatheru these days. Kadatheru enga irukku? எங்க நல்ல பொருள் கிடைக்கும்? Okay, let's not complicate. Kadatheru எங்க இருக்கு? Okay. And you have gone to the market. You want to know how much is this? You found something interesting. You want to ask how much is that, or how much is this? How much is this? இது எவ்வளவு? or இது எவ்வளோ? Means how much is the price? Correct? How much is the price? You don't need to say price enough. இது எவ்வளவு? இது எவ்வளோ? You want to point out something else. How much is that? அது எவ்வளோ? அது எவ்வளோ? இது எவ்வளோ? அது எவ்வளோ? Right? So, these are some of the key phrases that we have learned. Hope to see you with more phrases. வணக்கம், நன்றி.